Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the Credit Card Blueprint. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are looking at one of the most popular credit cards ever. This is the American Express Platinum card. We're going to be looking at everything you must know about this card and answering that main question of, is this card worth it? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want the card, I'll put a link to it down below. And guys, let's get the ball started here. So we're going to be talking about the American Express Platinum. Is it worth it? So first, we need to understand what is this card. So this is a top tier credit card that offers a bunch of incentives for travel. Now, right off the get-go, when you guys sign up, if you spend $2,000 on purchases in the first 6 months of this card, you get about 50,000 membership reward points, which is about $500 for travel and rewards with American Express. Now, you also get a whole bunch of other fantastic benefits, like a $200 hotel credit. So on any hotel you book through American Express, you get a $200 credit. You also get a $240 digital credit. So this is on eligible partners with companies like Hulu, Disney Plus, Netflix, anything that is a digital credit you guys will get. That's pretty much about $20 per month. So it's pretty much nowadays like a free Netflix membership, which is pretty neat. The next thing is you also get pretty much free Walmart Plus. So you get $155 Walmart Plus credit, and that's about $12.95 per statement credit that you guys get. You also get access to the Global Lounge Collection, which is a high tier lounge that is across the whole United States. Now, you also get $200 Uber cash that you can use for Uber Eats or just Uber rideshare. That's about $20, or it's about $15 every month, and then a $20 bonus in December. You also get a $200 airline credit. So very similar to like that hotel credit. Any airline you book through American Express Travel Portal, you get a $200 credit, which is actually pretty sweet because that's per year, so it's not on a monthly basis. You also get a $100 statement credit for Slacks. You get a $199 Clear, which is pretty much like the Fast Pass for TSA, and a whole bunch of other smaller offers. Now, this card also gets 5 times back on flights, 5 times back on hotels, and 1 times back on everything else. So you will notice that this card is a travel card. This card is designed for people that want to travel, given all the rewards, given the 5 times back on flights and hotels. Also, a lot of people wonder, is this card worth it? So with all of the incentives and benefits, you get a total value of about a little over $1,000. But obviously this card has drawbacks. There is an annual fee of $695, which is actually a pretty premium for most credit cards. So this is a top tier credit card. In my opinion, you do have to spend a decent amount of money to make the card worth it. So if you guys spend about $4,000 a year on flights, about $2,000 on hotels, and about $2,000 on all other purchases, you get near and around about $1,000 per year in point value. And this isn't counting the intro offer. This is only counting the credits, the spend, and then the benefits minus the annual fee. So total, it's going to be $1,600. Like I said, this card, you have to spend a decent amount of money on it just to break even. That is the issue with this card. And if you don't pay off your statement balance every single month, you get hit with 20 to 29% interest rates. So that's a pretty high premium for a card. So let's talk about, is this card worth it for you? Like I said, this is a travel card. So if you're somebody that doesn't travel, or maybe only travels once a year and it's just a small vacation, I wouldn't recommend this card. If you travel quite often, then I would recommend this card. It's that simple. This card is a travel card. I definitely think, though, there is a lot better cards out there for travel that you don't have to worry about the annual fee, like the Venture X card, which is the card I used. I think this card, you're going to be paying a very, very high premium for it. Yes, you get a bunch of great benefits, but I believe that if you're only using this card for travel, there's better options out there. But overall, it's still a fantastic card. And honestly, it's one of those cards where if you can kind of flex it, it's the platinum card, right? So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.